In this video, I will explain you how the gripper behave after picking on an object, and I will explain how to adjust the gripping force after gripping on an object. So there is two ways for the gripper to behave when it closes on an object. The first one is so when the force parameter is 0. When the force parameter is 0 and you close on an object, so the object has been detected, so when the object has been detected, the gripper fingers stay at the same position. So you see I remove the object, the gripper stay at the position. Okay. So this is the first behavior. So you will have this behavior when the force is 0. So I open again. And after you have another behavior when the force is more than 1. So once again I will close on the object. This time you can see on the graph the motor is consuming some a bit of electric current. It's because the gripper is always trying to close on the object to have the shortest distance between the fingers. Whatever the force you apply, whatever the force parameter, the electricity that the motor of the gripper consume is the same, and the force applied by the fingers to try closing at the shorter distance is always the same. So here, if I remove the object, the gripper will close because he's trying to have the shortest distance between the fingers, and this is made especially to avoid losing objects. So the gripper will always adjust and keep the shortest distance between the fingers. So now let's see how it's possible to adjust the force after the gripping. So I will close on the object with the force parameter as 0. So when the force is 0, the gripper fingers stay in position and the gripper does not try to close more than this. So you can see that the motor is not consuming any electric current. So you may think if you increase the force parameter, then the motor may consume some electricity and try to close, but it's not the case. You see, there is no chance. The reason is that the gripper detected an object. Once the object has been detected, the grip force, changing the grip force parameter don't have any effect. So if you want the force parameter, the new force parameter to apply, let's say I would put it maximum. What you need to do is first to deactivate the object detection feature. So actually you see the current position of the gripper is 161. Okay, so if you say to the gripper to move to the current position, this will deactivate the object detection. So I will do that. So you see the object detection have been disengaged. Okay, and now I will request again a full close. And you see the motor of the gripper have been engaged, and the gripper put some force to have a stronger closing. So that's how you can change the gripping force after gripping on an object.